Hi there, I'm Mrs. English. Today we'll practice 200 sentences together to help you speak with confidence. Listen, repeat, and remember, you can pause anytime. If you find this lesson helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to join our classroom. And don't forget to share this with a friend who is also learning. Ready? Let's begin. I like to take photos. Do you take photos? She has a camera. He takes many photos. We love taking pictures. They take photos every day. My camera is new. Your phone has a camera. This is my favorite photo. I take photos outside. She takes photos of flowers. He takes photos at the park. We take family photos. They take photos on vacation. Do you have a camera? I take photos with my phone. My sister takes beautiful photos. The camera is on the table. Can you take my photo? I will take a photo now. She is taking a photo. He was taking photos yesterday. We are going to take photos. They want to take a photo. I don't have a camera. She doesn't take many photos. He isn't taking photos today. I like photos of nature. This photo is very nice. That photo is from Italy. I take photos of my dog. She takes photos of food. He takes photos at parties. We take photos at birthdays. They take photos at school. My phone camera is good. Your camera is very expensive. I need a new camera. Do you like this photo? I will show you my photos. And she showed me her vacation photos. He is looking at old photos. We keep photos on our phones. They print their favorite photos. I took a photo this morning. She took 5 photos yesterday. He will take photos tomorrow. Can I see your photos? I want to take better photos. This camera takes great photos. I am learning to take good photos. She takes photos of her children every week. He doesn't like taking photos of himself. We took many photos at the beach. They are taking photos right now. My friend takes photos for work. Do you take photos on your birthday? I took a photo of the sunset. She is taking a photo of her lunch. He took photos of the mountains. We want to take a group photo. They took photos at the wedding yesterday. I love looking at old family photos. She keeps all her photos organized. He shares his photos on the internet. We printed 20 photos last month. They don't take photos without permission. My camera battery is low today. Your photos are really very beautiful. I need more space for my photos. She deleted some photos from her phone. He is going to buy a camera. We took a photo together yesterday afternoon. They always take photos when they travel. I forgot my camera at home today. She remembers taking that photo in Paris. He wants to learn professional photography skills. Can you take a photo of me? I will send you the photos tomorrow. She sent me her wedding photos yesterday. He didn't take any photos at dinner. We should take more photos together always. They took photos of every museum room. I usually take photos in the morning. She sometimes takes photos at night too. He never takes photos when it rains. We often take photos on the weekend. They rarely take photos during the week. My camera is broken and needs repair. Your photo collection is really very impressive. I enjoy taking photos of beautiful buildings. She enjoys taking photos of animals outside. He started taking photos 5 years ago. We finished taking all the group photos. They stopped taking photos when it rained. I put my camera in my bag. She carries her camera everywhere she goes. He left his camera at the restaurant. We found an old camera in the closet. They bought a new camera for the trip. I am taking photos of my new apartment today. She was taking photos when I called her yesterday. He will be taking photos at the party tonight. We were looking at photos all evening long yesterday. They are going to take photos at the concert. I took more than 50 photos at the zoo. She takes photos every time she sees something beautiful. He doesn't like it when people take his photo. We asked the waiter to take our photo nicely. They smiled when I took their photo together yesterday. My phone takes better photos than my old camera. Your camera takes photos very fast and clearly today. I need to charge my camera before the trip. She needs to delete some photos to make space. He wants to print his favorite photos this week. We can take photos here if we want to. They cannot take photos inside the museum at all. I took a photo of the beautiful blue sky. She took photos of all her friends at school. He is taking photos of buildings for his work. We will take photos at every place we visit. They took photos with every family member at dinner. I like taking photos more than making videos now. She likes her new camera more than the old. He thinks taking photos is a fun hobby always. We think these photos are perfect for the album. They know how to take really professional photos well. I learned how to take photos from my father. She taught me to take better photos last year. He is teaching his son to use the camera. We are learning about cameras in our class today. They learned to take photos on their phones first. I took a photo and sent it to you. She takes a photo before she eats her food. He took photos and posted them on his page. We take photos to remember special moments and times. They took photos because the view was so beautiful. I don't take photos when I am very busy. She didn't take her camera on the trip yesterday. He won't take photos if the weather is bad. We aren't taking any more photos right now today. They weren't taking photos during the whole movie show. I have many photos from my last vacation trip. She has thousands of photos on her phone now. He had only a few photos from his childhood. We have photos from every year of our lives. They have the best photos from the whole event. I took this photo on my birthday last year. She takes photos with her friends every single weekend. He took amazing photos of the stars at night. We are taking photos to make a special album. They took these photos during their trip to Spain. I want to take a photo of this moment. She wants all her friends in the group photo. He wanted to take photos but forgot his camera. We want to print and frame our favorite photos. They want to create a photo book this year. I can take good photos with my new phone. She can take photos even in dark places now. He could take better photos with a new camera. We can see all the photos on the computer. They could not take photos because it was dark. I should take more photos of my family always. She should back up her photos to the cloud. He should learn how to edit his photos better. We should take a photo before everyone leaves today. They should print their photos more often than now. I took a photo of the most beautiful sunset. She is taking photos for her work project this week. He took many photos and chose the best one. We will take family photos at the big reunion. They are going to take photos at every stop tomorrow. I love all the photos we took on vacation. She loves taking photos of flowers in the spring. He loves looking at his old childhood photos always. We love sharing our travel photos with our friends. They love printing photos and putting them on walls. I am going to take my camera to work. She was very happy with all her vacation photos. He will be ready to take photos in a moment. We were taking photos when the sun came up today. They are always taking photos of their cute cat. I would like to take a photo with you. She would like to see all your travel photos. He would love to learn to take better photos. We would take more photos, but our phone is full. They would like a copy of all the photos. I need to buy a memory card for photos. As she needs a bigger phone for all her photos. He needs to organize his photos by date now. We need to take at least one group photo. They need someone to take their photo for them. I remember the day I took this special photo. She remembers taking photos at her first concert ever. He forgot to take photos at the important meeting. We will never forget the photos from that day. They took so many wonderful photos during the holiday. I always smile when I look at these photos. She takes the most beautiful photos of everyone here. Taking photos helps us remember all our happy moments. Great job, you finished today's lesson. You practiced 200 sentences. I am very proud of you. Please write your favorite sentence in the comments below. I want to read them. Subscribe to this channel for more English lessons every day. See you in the next video. Keep practicing. You are doing great. Goodbye.